In Igbo culture, the word di is very powerful. When it stands alone, it means husband or the head of the family. But when you put it before other words, it shows mastery, that is, being the best in your field. For example, DG, a great yam farmer, Diochi, a skilled palm wine tapper, Dinta, a master hunter, Dioka, a man gifted in arts and designs, Dimba, a champion wrestler, Dimpa, a strong and capable man, Dianye, our master. So you see, the word di is not just about being a husband, but it's also about being a master in life. Di is a mark of respect, mastery, and greatness.